Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello. Oh, hello. What up, everybody? How's everybody doing? Are you all doing good? 'Cause I'm doing good. And what the view which you just see was the sheep on my farm. And here comes my brother with his spray paint. Oh my god, he's so excited. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you 2 newborn babies. Actually, I couldn't get the clip when they were getting born because they were just born, just not even an hour ago. Come, let me show you. So today, let me show you the newborn babies. Come on! This guy, just look at him. There's a bunch of sheep. You know what they're eating? They're eating salt, but not paper. Okay, yeah. As I promised, let's go and see the newborn babies. Oh my god, there it is. They are they. They are they. They are they. They are brand new. Brand new. No, oh my. There's more coming. And I'm right here. There. So frontal. There. And there. Let's slowly, gently go. Oh my god. They look so cute. And that's like, you know. Oh, what is that? What is that? Is that a womb? Oh. Hello. Look at the baby. I can't touch it right now because it's very gross. These 2 are newborn, not even an hour ago. Let's see, are they scared of me? Oh my god, they're not even scared of me. Oh, sorry. See these? See these 2? Mommy's coming to save them. They're here. Oh, okay, yeah, he's scared of me, or she, or whatever it is. Oh, look, so damn cute. They're twins. 2 twins. And now let's go and see more. Leave these babies alone and let's go. Here's my brother standing with the spray paint, which we have to put on the newborn babies because they are very new and we need to mark them because they get lost very often. But these 2 are newborn, so we cannot touch them right now, otherwise they might die. There's a very big chance that they're gonna die. Oh, okay, yeah. See the sheep? Let's catch a sheep. No, not a sheep. Let's not catch a sheep. My grandfather just told me to go and look for the 1-day-old babies for the hunt, so that we can mark them and so that they don't get lost. Okay, yeah. Closed. Oh my god, now I gotta go the long way. Oh no, I can just jump fence. And this. Okay, if you have any question about my farm, you can put it in the comments, and I will reply. I promise I will reply. Okay. Oh my! I almost fell. Oh, what were they doing here? Or they were sitting in here. Okay, let's see if I can find some off camera. Guys, I found a bunch of babies, and I think one of them, let me see. This. Okay, so they're lucky they're not gonna be caught. Sure. There's one, I think that one needs to be caught. Is it not? Okay, yep, that does not need to be caught. Okay, so I can't find any. Let's go back. Okay, I'll see you when I'm back. God, I just spotted one behind that one. Behind that one. See underneath? one baby sitting there. I think that is the one. That is the one. Oh, it's not the one. Is that the one? Oh, damn it. Those are... So guys, now I think it's time to end the videos. I'm in a shady place now. Whew, I'm tired. There's a bunch of sheep there. They're scared of me. Oh, I'm very tired. Oh, now I'll... Oh yeah, I forgot to announce that. The stickers, there's no winners. Nobody commented. So I guess next time I'm closing that. Now, not in this video, but in another video very soon. It's gonna come out. Oh, it might be even there while you're watching this video. It might be there. I'm gonna be driving the car. Just look at me, like, just look at me. I'm so small. I'm actually 11.5, and very soon my birthday is coming. So I'm gonna be driving a car, and why? Just off-roading in the farm. There's no police, no LTA, nothing. Okay, so now I'll see you next time. Peace out.